Okay, so today we're going to be learning about sales and income tax. So first off, we're just going to do a real quick sales tax problem. So when you buy an item, the final cost is usually more than the actual price because you have to add sales tax to it. So Yoshi tore the bottom of her sales receipt, and she does not remember the total price she paid. So we need to figure out what her total price is. Well, to be able to do that, we first had to figure out what's called a subtotal. So the subtotal is the total price of the item purchased before sales tax. So the way you would find subtotal is you would take these items, if I didn't draw through it. Basically, you would take these amount and you add them together. So you do 34.95 plus 14.99. And you add them together. When you do that, you get 49.94. So now, when you have your subtotal, you can find your sales tax. You can figure out how much tax you're going to be spending. So it asks you, how do you find 5% of the subtotal? Usually you multiply. So how much is sales tax? What you're going to do is you're going to take 49.94 and you're going to multiply it by 5%. Well, remember, 5% is 0.05 as a decimal, and you got to change it. So you're going to multiply by 0.05. When you multiply it, you get $2. Well, you get 2.497, and you have to round it up to the nearest cent. So it'd be $2.50. So now she can find her total purchase. So all you have to do is to find your total purchase is you take your subtotal, 49.94, and you add your tax to that. When you do that, you add it together and you get 52.54, and that is your total price. That's how much she spent at the store. All right, let's go explore a little bit more about sales tax. So sales tax is a tax on purchase price of an item. A consumer pays sales tax when an item is purchased, is collected by the seller, and given to the government. The government uses sales tax to pay for public services such as police, firefighters, highways, and public transportation. The sales tax in Texas is 6.25%. Cities and counties may add additional tax that raise it up to 8.25%. Income tax is a tax on money earned by a person. Income tax is deducted from a person's paycheck and paid to the federal government. Like other taxes, it is used to pay for services provided by the federal government. The more a person earns, the higher the tax rate. Other factors such as the number of children may also affect the tax rate. If a person is married and files jointly, the couple pays taxes on their combined income. A tax table can be used to find the tax rate for a given amount. Below is a sample tax rate chart. It shows a portion of a person's income that will be deducted for taxes based on an income level. Okay, so basically you look at if you're single or if you're married and see how much you made that year, and then you find your tax rate. All right, one question is, why are taxes usually described as percentages? And what I said is because it takes a percentage of the cost. It's not a set charge. It can't just say, hey, tax is $10. No, it takes a percent of what you're spending to find the tax, or it takes a percent of your income to be able to send it to the government. Okay, so now it says read the problem below, then explore different ways to solve the problem. Well, he wants to buy a shirt that costs $14.89. He also wants to buy a hat that costs $9.50. The tax rate is 7.5%. He only has $26 to spend. Does he have enough? So what we're going to do is we're going to follow steps. And on your paper, it asks you to write out the steps. So the first step you're going to do, step 1, find subtotal. Okay, so to find subtotal, you're going to take what he bought. Well, he bought a shirt for $14.89 and then bought a hat for $9.50. So you're going to do 14.89 plus 9.50. When you add that together, you get $24.39. And I'm going to put subtotal so I don't lose it. So the second step you do is find tax. You want to figure out how much the tax is. So the way you do that is you take your subtotal and your tax percentage and multiply together. So my subtotal is 2439, and my tax is 7.5%. 7.5% equals 0.075 as a decimal. So I'm going to do 24.39, multiply it by 0.075, and then when I do that, I get $1.83. So then after I do that, and that's my tax, I'm going to do $24.39 plus $1.83 to find my total. When you add that together, you get $26.22. And that's your total. That's how much he spent at the store. So he does not have enough because he needs 22 extra cents to be able to pay for it all. That's the reason why you always got to be careful with that tax. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to do the problem by yourself. So I want you to pause the video and attempt this problem on the board. Okay, so Simon wants to buy 2 cases of tennis balls. Each case costs $38.47. The tax rate's 5%. She has $80. Does she have enough money to buy 2 cases? Explain. So first thing I want you to do is find the subtotal. So she's buying $38.47 case, but she's buying 2 of them of tennis balls. So you're going to multiply that by 2. You multiply that by 2, you get $76.94. So the answer for the first one will be A. So the next thing you want to do is you want to find how much tax you're going to have. So you still have your subtotal, $76.94. And then you're going to find your tax. And your tax is 5%. So that equals 0.05 as a decimal. So you're going to multiply this by 0.05. When you multiply it, you get 3.847, which rounds up to $3.85. So your tax will be D, $3.85. Now for the final step is you're going to take your subtotal of $76.94 plus the $3.85 for to find your total. When you add it together, you get $80.79 as your grand total. He does not have enough money. He only brought $80. He needs $80.79. All right, let's do income tax. So the table below shows the income tax rate for incomes from 0 to $89,350. Lily is single. She earned $34,374 at her job last year. She also earned $5,206 on investments. So we need to figure out how much should she pay in tax. Well, the first thing you can do is you're going to figure out her total income. So she made $34,375 plus an additional $5,206. When you add them up, she made $39,581. So that's her income. Lily is single, so you're going to be looking at the single rates. So she made $39,581. So she's going to be looking at the bottom box. But since she's single, her tax rate will be 25%. So you're going to do $39,581 times 25% would be 0.25. So when you multiply that together, it'll come out to $9,895.25. So she's going to pay almost $10,000 of income tax. It's pretty crazy, isn't it? Okay, I want you to try one on your own. On number 14, it says he's married and he and his wife had combined income of $78,453. How much does he and his wife pay in income tax? Well, using the same income tax table, he's married. So we're looking at the married chart. We're looking at here. And then since they make $78,453, they're going to be in the last column as well. So their income tax is going to be 18%. So you're going to do $78,453, and you're going to times that by 18%, which is 0.18. And when you multiply that together, you get $14,121.54. So the answer is A. All right, that was a quick refresher of sales tax. You have homework on this. If you need help, just come find me in the morning. Thank you.